LM. The interior bisector B and the exterior bisector of angle C of triangle ABC meet at D through D parallel to CB meets AC at L and AB at M. If the legs LC and MB of trapezoid CLMB are 5 and 7, so LC is 5 units and MB here is 7 units. Respectively, find the measure of the base LM. Challenge: find LM if triangle ABC is equilateral. It means equilateral, so this is a 60. So this is a 60. This here is a 60. And here is a 60, everything. 60. But here is a 30 and here is a 30 degree. Both of them are a 30 degree. There are a 30 degree because this is a bisector angle. On the other hand, here is a 60 degree. But because it's a bisector angle, the exterior angle C, it already says this is a 60 and this is a 60. Because this is a straight line, is 180 degree. We are adding all together is 180 degree. And what do we have here? This angle here is a 30 degree. So let's say this is angle 1 is a 30 degree. And now in trapezoid, this line here is a parallel, so the bases are parallel with each other. And if this angle here is 30 degree, so this here has to be 30 degree. 30 degree, this here. But on the other hand, here I have 30, 60, here has to be 90 degree. Here has to be 90 degrees, so this is a right angle. Because 30 plus 30, 60 is a 90, plus 90 is 180. And now if one angle is a 90, all these angles here are 90 degree. And if this 90, this 30, it means this is a 60 degree. And this is 60, 30, the triangle CED, and here has to be 30 degree. So this here is a 30. In other words, we see this is 60, 60, 30 plus 30 is 60. If you're looking at the triangle DLC, DLC is equilateral triangle. If the distance LC is 5 units, then CD is 5 units, and of course the DL, so the distance DL is going to be 5 units. So DL is going to be 5 units. And now, because of this triangle, DMB is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Why? Because here is 30, here is 30, here has to be 30 plus 30. 60 plus 120 is 180. So this is isosceles triangle. If opposite angles are the same in triangle, the sides are congruent of the triangle. And if we see MB is equal with 7 units. And DM, if you look from T to M, DM is going to be 7 units because both of them are. So this one here is congruent with this side here. And now DM, so DM is equal with a DL plus LM, What do we know here? DL is 5 units and DM is 7 units. 7 is equal with 5 plus LM. If we are subtracting by 5 both sides, so LM is going to be 5 units. Based on this information, we have is a 7 minus 2 minus 5 is 2 units. So LM is equal with 2 units because minus 5 both sides. 7 minus 5 is 2 units. But here is one problem, because if we are looking at CA, CA is going to be 5, and because of this here is a 60, here 60, this is a 60, and triangle LMA is an equilateral triangle. And CA has to be 2 plus 5, 7, and in the other side 7 plus 2 is 9. Something doesn't add up.